Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use screen off gestures on Realme 11. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Here scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Then we need to go for gesture and motions, screen off gestures, enable them, and here's all of the things that we can do. First one is double tap to wake or turn off your screen. We need to activate it. Draw O to open camera. Draw V to turn on flashlight. You can also turn it off the same way. And music control. Now let's cover all of those four options at once. So we need to lock our screen. First one being double tap. So if we double tap onto our screen, it will wake up. If we double tap again, it will turn off. Then when your screen is in the blackout, we can draw O to open camera. Then we have a flashlight and draw V for that. It will enable it. And when we draw it again, it should turn off like this. Then we had the music control, and I can't show you exactly the options, but I will show you how they work. So we have arrow to the right to play next track, arrow to the left to play previous track, and draw the pause button to either play or pause the music. Now let's check the custom gestures that were at the bottom of the page, and they're in the more. You need to activate them first. Then click on each of the options to pick the action for it. And here you can unlock your phone with it, make a call to a specific person with that gesture, and you can also open any app that is installed on your phone. Let's go for Google Chrome with this one, and they all work kind of the same way. You just draw the different motion gesture, and you pick different function for it. So let's just cover the arrow pointing up. We need to lock our phone, draw arrow pointing up, and when we unlock our phone, it should launch our Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.